The bond between grandmother, mother, daughter has helped the human race pass on not only genetics but also memetics, which are the components of culture that were taught and modeled for the next generation. Mother in law and daughter in law are family partners joined together by circumstances and law. However, mother in law and daughter in law's relationship is less understood and more misunderstood. But to overcome the challenges is not entirely impossible. The mother is the most important woman in her son's life before the marriage. But the relationship changes after the marriage. In the changed circumstances, mother has a greater responsibility and should avoid making the son to choose between her and his wife, since it is a battle that just cannot be won. Now, I will narrate an incident on how a conflict between the mother-in-law and daughter-in-law was resolved with my intervention in Saket, Delhi. Neeta was married to Surinder Kumar in 2011 and has been staying with her mother-in-law and brother-in-law. She could not bring enough resources during the marriage, because of which she was constantly harassed by her mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and brother-in-law. Her husband is the eldest son of the family and earns a very meager sum of money. Neeta has 2 children and has been staying at her in-laws' residence. In 2017, her mother-in-law, instigated by her daughter and younger son, asked Neeta and her family to leave the house. Since Neeta had no other house, she could not go out with the small children. Then she learned about the Shiv Sena's work and especially about my involvement in helping poor people, especially women. She approached for my support to resolve the matter. I immediately wrote to the different government officials for intervention. After the intervention from Delhi Mahila Ayog and constant follow-up, the mother-in-law realized her mistake and agreed to provide top floor of the house to Neeta and her family. However, it did not get resolved overnight. I was in constant conversation with Neeta, her mother-in-law, and with the concerned government officials for resolving the matter. Now, her mother-in-law and other members of the family are staying in the same house and have cordial relations. The grandchildren are enjoying the company of the grandmother, and the day-to-day conflict has been resolved. Neeta has also started working in a parlor and supplementing to the family income. It can be said that the daughter-in-law should realize that she too would become mother-in-law someday. On the other hand, the mother-in-law needs to reflect on experience of being a daughter-in-law in the early part of her life. The wife should understand that the mother-in-law is old and the behavior she has developed over the years may not be easy to change. Hence, mutual respect and understanding, not only by daughter-in-law and mother-in-law, but also by the support of the other members of the family, would help in building a healthy household. Jai Hind.